All right, we're ready. Ready to take out that bird. Follow me.
That's my turkey.
That's the turkey. Alright. Now let's get in some light. The whole world can see. Oh.
I want a piece already. Mmm.
There you go.
That's his butthole. Got butt sex in the deep freezer.
Nope. Alright, so this is how you deep fry bird. Yeah, it looks a little brown beyond its years, but it is a bird nonetheless. And I cooked it. Down the back of the bird. Beautiful. Just beautiful. We're going to eat this. So yeah, next time I take a picture of it, it'll be nothing but carcass. Ooh, can you say turkey?
Yes, turkey.
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 Deep fried.
Bye.
Yep.
Turkey.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye bye.